This is Crosby Beach. And is this man over here standing in the sand? Yes. That should give me my cue that the sand over here on the beach is quite muddy. And look what happened to my shoes and part of my pants, trousers. So I got so mad that it. Anyway, I should get back and come here because it is freezing cold. It is blowing like crazy. Here we are shouting. So it is 30 degrees Celsius, but the wind makes it like 3 degrees. And I have walked all the way to here. And that accident with the quicksand, I thought that I was going to drown, but no, so it was very dangerous. But I'm actually in Liverpool for the weekend, and I was doing lots of sightseeing throughout the day. I thought to do the beach adventure also today because it's Friday the 13th today, October 13th, and I'm gonna be roaming around Liverpool for 3 days. And after this, I'm not sure if I'm gonna redo this next 2 days, but let's see because this is cold, and this you can see is the Irish Sea, part of the North Atlantic Ocean. You see on the internet, on the website that states the temperature, it is 13.8 degrees. So almost the same like in Sweden, pretty much. And now this sand that actually made my shoe. Do with them. Yes, I need to get back also. Will I be able to make them dry so fast? So maybe I will need to buy new shoes. So first world problems. Okay, I have been watching them for quite some time. So let's run. So cold, so freaking cold. There's nobody swimming in the beach. And of course, it's gonna be May. So wish me luck so I don't get sick for my next 2 days in Liverpool, because that's gonna be a bummer. Because I feel my sinuses are getting triggered. Because this is, yes, they say it is 13 degrees, but it is not. The feels like temperature is quite lower. Okay. And yes, it is now the sunset. It is 7 p.m. I need to do this quick. Yes, I need to get back to Liverpool because this is located 10 kilometers from Liverpool. And Liverpool, fun fact, is that it's the 5th largest city, I think, in UK. If you look by the metropolitan area, and there are different measurements in different sites. Irish Sea. Over here. Oh my god, it's so muddy. Okay, this is gonna be a quick one. Waves. It doesn't look that good, to be fair. So I already regret this. Alright. This is definitely stinks that I can make. How this should have been a good idea. This is not a good idea at all. I mean, my feet are drowning in sand. So I should have done a better research. Beach was the beach. This is calm. Yeah, but it's Friday the 13th, and that's why this is happening. That's why I put my shoes and my pants. Now I need to have 20 minutes back home to the center. Alright, I'm going in because you only live once. So, wish me luck. 3, 2, 1. Oh, I need to dark as there are sand pits on the way back home too. So thanks a lot for watching and see you soon again, maybe not from Liverpool but from Sweden with another beach adventure on my channel. Beach Adventures with Chris!